Children are using technology every day and need an educational tool to work with that is both tactile and fun. Introducing mBot, an open-source, affordable STEM robot kit designed to inspire young engineers as they build, play, and learn. From sensors used to follow complex line formations and avoid obstacles, to multifaceted remote controls using the mBot app, mBot is the perfect addition to any classroom environment or family scenario, easily teaching children entry-level graphical programming. mBlock, a graphical programming tool developed from Scratch 2.0 that works with PC, shows young engineers the possibilities and fun of coding through controlling different functions of their mBot. When working on iPad, tablet, or smartphone, the mBlockly app is an easy and fun tool to write and create your own imaginative projects by simply dragging and dropping function blocks. mBot can easily be assembled in 20 minutes. Circuit boards and Bluetooth modules simply snap in for clean and easy construction. With a number of add-on packs already developed and more on the way, the possibilities of mBot are unlimited. Online courses are provided to help every step of the way. Through play and education, mBot gives children and parents alike a tool to learn a skill set that they will use for years to come.
Hey, I am the Meccanoid G15KS. I was created to interact with human beings and learn from them. High five! I come installed with a technology called Learned Intelligent Motion. It's simple to program me.
I make programming robots fun and simple.
It can record and play back animations.
I make programming robots fun and simple.
Process voice recognition and communicate with smart devices through Bluetooth. Motion capture enabled. Thank you. That was fun. Let's do it again sometime. Self-destruct mode activated. 3, 2, 1. Just kidding.
Jonathan, you're my idea guy. Need a great idea for this meeting and I need it 5 minutes ago.
How about a detailed map of the entire eastern seaboard with a 1-to-1 scale?
Need something more compact.
How about we make banking more fun with double or nothing ATMs? How about we add windows to bathroom stalls so you can tell if they're empty? Just face height. Won't be gross.
Nancy, you're my idea girl.
Just face height.
For brighter ideas, you're going to need to develop your brain power. Get your noggin firing on all cylinders, connect the circuit, and power the light in Circuit Maze, a single-player puzzle game. Add pieces to the board to complete the circuit and light your way to victory. To play, select one of the 60 unique challenges. The challenges are sorted in 4 categories, progressing in difficulty as you advance through beginner, intermediate, advanced, and expert levels. Arrange the designated pieces in the right position and orientation to close the loop and light the bulbs. You'll need to work around the starting obstacles as you arrange and orient your pieces to build a complete circuit and solve the challenge. Although you're working with current, there's no risk of electrocution. Although, we can't say the same for this guy.
Oh, the heck with this storm! I'ma fly this kite! Woo!
So feel free to use your hands to arrange and rearrange the pieces on the board as you work through the puzzles. Solving these positively head-scratching puzzles is a load of fun, and it might just increase your brain power.
Solar freaking roadways!
Gigantic solar farm without wasting land? I smell a promotion!
Who's the idea girl now, Nancy?
Buy shockingly fun Circuit Maze and shop for hundreds more gifts at VAT19.com.
VAT19.com.
Check out Gizmos and Gadgets for more ways to play with power. And check out Gravity Maze. Takes solo puzzle challenges to a whole new level. Subscribe and share this video with your friends. It might get you something cool.
Aura, the ultimate drone with gesture robotics mind-blowing technology. Simply put the glove on and feel the power of having Aura right in your hand. Make 360 flips and show your skills flying like a pro right out of the box. Controlling a drone has never been so easy. New Aura, you have the power. From KD Interactive.
Welcome to Jimu, where you can build and program smart robots and share them with your friends. Follow the Jimu app's cool 3D instructions to build BuzzBot, and then take them apart and build mutBot. or any robot in Jimu World. He moves just like a human, and you control him. Program his movements in the Jimu app and get smarter as you code. Create your own Jimu World. Smart robots, smarter kids.
Goodness gracious, it's amazing. One of a kind and so incredible. Shock me like lightning, and you ain't trying. Hey-oh, better than ever, so incredible. So incredible. Oh, you're so incredible. So incredible. That's incredible.
As a parent, how do you help your children develop important skills that prepare them for the future? Meet Dash and Dot. Fun, easy-to-use, interactive robots that teach kids about programming with hands-on play. Dash and Dot are ready to play right out of the box and can be programmed with our free apps for your phone or tablet. Kids start learning right away with an easy-to-follow tutorial and hundreds of preloaded missions. Dot can be programmed on its own as a quirky magic dot ball.
I'm gonna go with maybe.
Or a hot potato. Dash can do even more. He can dance, race around the house, respond to objects and sounds, and record your child's voice for a fun surprise.
Watch out, Mom, I'm coming through.
Dash and Dot will fuel your child's natural curiosity. They'll love programming new adventures for their robot sidekicks. They can play hide and seek, set up challenging courses, or go head-to-head for a thrilling race. You'll be surprised at their creativity and innovation. With lots of great add-on accessories for your Dash or Dot, there are endless ways for your child to explore and problem solve, all while having fun. Wonder Workshop robots and apps are designed to grow with your child, allowing them to apply what they've learned and expand their capabilities.
Are you serious?
Wonder Workshop, inspiring the brightest minds of tomorrow.